Tecno Phantom V Fold price in Pakistan. Tecno Phantom V Fold price in Pakistan is Rs. 329,999. Official dealers and warranty providers regulate the retail price of Tecno mobile products in official warranty. Price of Tecno Phantom V Fold in Pakistan is Rs. 329,999. Price of Tecno in USD is $1,009. Tecno Phantom V Fold, the first foldable phone by Tecno. Tecno is repairing the latest Phantom V series. The upcoming V Fold smartphone will be presented by this series. Today, we will share with you some leaked news and information regarding this foldable smartphone series. Tecno's Phantom V Fold will be the company's first foldable smartphone. As a result of this step, it appears that the company is attempting to compete with other brands, particularly in the field of foldable smartphones. As far as the Tecno V Fold is concerned, it will be the cheapest foldable smartphone with all the latest features to ensure its success both locally and internationally. In our research, we have uncovered some information about the specifications of the Tecno Phantom's V Fold. It could come with a massive 7.65-inch foldable LTPO AMOLED capacitive touchscreen display, which has the ability to support the FHD plus resolution of 2000 x 2296 pixels. Additionally, the Phantom V Fold display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus in order to withstand harsh conditions. Under the display, there may be a super fast fingerprint sensor, according to recent leaks. After that, it is possible that the new Tecno V Fold could be powered by the Mediatek Dimensity 9000 plus 4nm chipset, which confirms that it will be capable of supporting 5 grams connectivity. The Tecno Phantom V's a bigger 5000 mAh battery cell to last all day on just a single charge. In addition, it supports fast charging of 44, so that you can charge this beast quickly. With the launch of the Phantom V Fold by Tecno, Samsung, and other brands will face stiff competition in the category of foldable smartphones. Tecno Phantom V Fold detailed specifications. Build OS: Android 13 OS UI, iOS 13 Fold dimensions. Unfolded 159 4x 140.4 x 6.9, folded 159 4x 72 x 14.2 minus 14.5 m. Weight 299 grams. SIM, dual standby micro SIM. Colors: black, white. Frequency 2 grams band. SIM 1, GSM 85 trillion 90 billion 18 million 1900. SIM 2, GSM 85 trillion 90 billion 18 million 1903 grams band. SHOTPA 85 trillion 90 billion 19 million 2100 4 grams band. LTE 5 grams band. SA or ENSA. Processor: CPU, octa-core 1x3, 20 GHz Cortex-X2, and N3x 2.85 GHz Cortex-A710, and N4 x 1.8 GHz Cortex-A510. Chipset: Mediatek Dimensity 9000 plus 4nm GPU, Adreno 660. Display technology: Foldable LTPO AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, 1B colors, multi-touch. Size: 7.85 inches. Resolution: 2000 x 2296 pixels. 388 ppi. Protection: Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Extra features: 120 Hz, 1100 nits peak. Cover display: LTPO AMOLED, 1B colors, 6.42 inches, 1080 x 2550 pixels, 431 ppi, 120 Hz, 1100 nits peak. Memory: built-in, 512 GB built-in, 12 GB RAM card. Micros card, supports up to 1 TB dedicated slot. Camera: main, triple camera, 50 MP, f1, 9. Wide. 113. PDAF++ 50 MP. f2.0. Telephoto. 128. PDAF. 2x optical zoom plus 13 MP. f2. 2. 120 ultrawide. 13. PDAF. Dual LED flash. Features: geotagging, touch focus, face detection, video 4K at 30 fps, 1080p at 3060 fps. Front: 16 MP, f2, 5. Wide: 128. Cover camera: 32 MP, f2, 5. Wide: 128. Video 1080p at 60 fps. Connectivity: WLAN, Wi-Fi 802.11a or B or G or N or AC, dual band Bluetooth, V5.2 with a 2DP, LE GPS, Yes plus a GPS support and GLONASS, BDS radio, FM radio, recording USB, USB Type-C, OTG NFC, Yes. Data, GPRS, Edge, 3 grams HSPA, 42 to 5, 76 amps, 4 grams LTE, 5 grams capable. Features: sensors, accelerometer, fingerprint under display, optical, gyro, proximity. Audio: 3.5mm audio jack, MP4H 264 player, MP3 WAV FLAC EAC plus player, speakerphone. Browser: HTML5 messaging, SMS threaded view, MS, email, pushmail, games. Built-in plus downloadable torch, Yes extra. Glass front, glass back, plus Gorilla Glass 5. Photo or video editor, document viewer. Battery, capacity, LiPo non-removable, 5000 mAh. Fast battery 45 wired, 40% in 15 minutes, 100% in 55 minutes advertised. Price in Rs, $3,29999. Price in USD, $1,009. Ratings. Average rating is 5 stars based on 1 user reviews.